fuck?
Welcome to the imperial era of Mongolia at the 13th century.
Damn! Those vocals! Yo, y'all just hear them vocals. Them vocals though.
Hello, welcome.
Hold on, wait, can you do that one more time? One more time.
Oh, really?
Bro, that shit, bro, it sounded like a... Dude. Wait, one more time, one more time.
Okay. 자, 그렇다 함께 주세요.
Hold on, wait, I gotta hear that one more time.
Okay.
Yo, that sounded like Beyonce or something.
Okay.
Yo! Oh my God! Yo!
Thank you so much.
That's talent right there. That's dead ass talent. I never seen that. I never seen that ever like IRL.
It's the Mongolian traditional long song. Truth music, truth songs.
That shit gives you chills. That shit just that gave me chills.
Thank you.
How'd you learn that? How did she learn that?
It's the 29 years ago singing. It's traditional songs.
I know, but how did you never mind. You know what? She was born with that.
Okay, you should try.
She was born like that.
You should try.
Hey!
Oh, it's okay.
Raise your yeah. That's crazy. Nah, hey, beautiful. That was beautiful. Nah, yeah, give me a hug. You get a hug. Hey, what you did too, that was fire too. That like,
We are court music.
bro, I was ready to fight somebody. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I was ready to fight. That was dope. That was the dopest thing I've ever since I came to Mongolia. That was the dopest thing I've seen.